In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook feed is not available right now problem on Facebook. You can solve this problem, then you can follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the feed loads correctly. Unstable or slow connection can prevent the feed from updating properly. Step 2. Open Play Store. Tap on Search. Search Facebook application. Update your Facebook apps latest version. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Facebook apps. Outdated version maybe have problem that been fixed in newer update. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store to check for update. It helps to fix Facebook is not available right now. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on Apps. Tap on Manage Apps. Search Facebook apps. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache. Clearing cache can help resolve these issues. Facebook feed is not available right now problem on Facebook. Step 4. Refresh the Facebook feed. Sometimes simply refreshing the feed. Step 5. Restart the Facebook apps or browser. Close the Facebook apps or browser tab completely and reopen it. Step 6. Log out and log in back. Tap on menu or horizontal line, scroll down, tap on log out. And log in back and log in again. Then you can solve this problem. In this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel.